Hi guys, welcome to my channel Lehri Home Decor Ideas. So today the DIY that I'm going to share with you is this owl, the DIY for this owl. Yes, so I have this picture of an owl. So I will be tracing this picture on the cardboard. So let's begin. So here I traced the picture of the owl on the cardboard and now I'm going to cut it out. So here we have the cutout of the owl. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the detailing with the mold. So this is the mold that we get in the market, like any stationery shop you can get it, and it is very reasonable. It's the economical pack just comes for rupees 20, and we have in this we have two packets. One is the resin one and one is the hardener. So here is the hardener and the resin. So what we have to do is we have to mix this both and we should make a clay. And as I said that it's only for rupees 20. It comes in a small packet. So as I'm doing it, I'm just putting a powder so that it does not stick on my hand. So we have to mix the both very, so we have to mix this very
what you mean is
tightly, and also it should, the quantity that is two different quantity are there, it should be mixing together. So as you can see I have mixed it nicely, and now I will be using this for the detailing of the owl. So I painted this owl white color, and let us keep us for drying. So after it is dried, one thing to remember is that whenever we are using molded clay, we should first apply Fevicol and then we should apply the clay on it. So as you can see, I made this tiny shapes so that I'm just doing the detailing of the small parts like eyes, eyeball and everything. So as you can see, I'm doing it. So same way I'm also making the eyes. So like you have to make the shape of an eye. So I used these cups that we get, small cups. So what we have can do is just trace. You can also use coin, anything, but I have used this just to give this a round shape. So we will be making it round. So you can see as I kept it round, and now with the help of the Fevicol I'll be fixing this eyes. So I also gave the detailing by the scale. So like this, you can give with anything like scale or something, if you want to give a little heart shape also you can give, but I make the detailing like this. Now after this, after drying, I just colored the eye and everything. So first I colored the cardboard, and then I'll be coloring all the detailing that we did. So it's everything on your wish, like which color you want. I have used blue, black. So this way I colored the owl.